Hey everybody, it's your girl. How you doing? If you got my wallet pattern, let me show you how you put it together. If you had to print it out on 8.5 by 11, you will get 4 sheets. And what you would do, you put the corners, you put it together like this. I'm going to also show you what it looked like if you don't have to. But you put it together. Okay, you lay it out. And it just lines right up, just like this. Now what I'll usually do is take my measuring tape, and I told you this was 8. Measure both sides. And you have your lines to guide you here. And then what you do is you tape. Okay? And then you take the top piece and you just line it up. Just line it up with the one you just did, just like this. Now if you want to, you can measure. I'm more concerned about this piece lining up for you. So line that up here, line that up there. And I used a 1/4 inch seam allowance, but you can use whatever seam allowance you like. And then just go ahead and tape it across. And I just used a big sheet, piece of tape. Okay. Just like this. And then just cut it out. Alright? So that's if you have to put it together. And this is how it looks. Alright? Now, if you're printing it out, now this is 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11. If you're printing it out, let me move that out the way. If you're just printing it straight out, this is what you'll get. This is 11 by 17 sheet of paper, and you'll get this. Okay? Just 1 sheet. And also, what you receive is a bunch of different size embellishments. Now you can print these out. I set them up for you to print them out on 8.5 by 11 because I know everybody usually has 8.5 by 11. So these are printed out, and they come in different sizes. So you'll get, I think, 2 sheets of this, and also the wallet pattern. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. All right, for more DIYs. See you soon. Happy crafting.